does like the low though, for sure. Yeah.
Shop everything audio at bigjeffaudio.com. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Brandon on Team Megahertz. I got 3 Zv5 15s on a Salt 8K, okay. 2 80 amp hour CES Yinglong banks.
Nice.
350 amp alternator from Ohio Generator. All Bonce mids and highs. Bonce mids and highs amps. I think that's about
what do you wire to?
0.57.
0.57.
Yep. So 2 of the subs are like 0.67 and one of them rests a little bit higher, so the final load's right around 0.57.
Okay. All right.
So yeah, man.
Awesome.
Find something on here.
Sure. What about your peak frequency?
So peak when we did the sweep, it was like 28, but my loudest score on the meter is at 32, and it's a 155.21.
Awesome.
What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We just got a Brandon system. He did a good job showcasing it at the Made of Steel show in Tampa, Florida area of 2021. Go ahead and like it if you haven't already, as well as comment. Let him know some positive things you like about his system. I really like that he had a layout of 3 subwoofers instead of 2 or 1. Most people usually do an even number of subs if they do more than 1 subwoofer, so he's going to be giving us a 2-song bass demo. The second song was a little bit more low end. He sealed me up, put the window up on me. You're going to see. I hope you're enjoying the video. I like also the way he has his port located on the right side. A lot of people usually, when they have this kind of style system in a box, you'd have subs up, port up, because you don't want to have the port facing into the seat, as well as he had his amplifier mounted down on the box. Usually not the best spot to put the amplifier, but if you have a really solid box and you have nowhere else to put it, really beefy 8,000 watt length amplifier, so he had to put it on the box. So port is on the right side. I didn't get the exact tuning. He did say it was metering at the peak frequency, metering 155 dB plus at 32 Hertz, which is a really impressive score, being under window line. I also found out that he ran his amplifier at 0.6, so he's getting all the power to the subwoofers. These subs are rated at 2,000 watts RMS, but they can handle a little bit more power. And I do have a question for everybody before we get to the demo. Where do you put your port location in a truck? So anybody that has a truck system, looking forward to your comments on what location do you suggest putting the port in. This is probably most optimal because of the amount of cubic space he utilized for his system, but looking forward to see what y'all say. 3 15-inch subs on 8,000 watts. We're going to be getting to the bass demo now. Really tearing up his truck. That second song is a lot more brutal, you're going to see. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy this 2-song demo.
something a little higher for you too.
Okay. It does like the low though, for sure.
Oh, it does.
Yeah.
Good. I'm gonna stand you up.
problem, bro. Nice to meet you. Yeah, definitely. Low 30s does really well for sure. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Awesome.
Thank you, man.
You're welcome. You too. Stay cool. It's going to be hot.
Yeah.
Shop everything audio at bigjeffaudio.com. Links in the description. Thanks for watching.